Okay, guys, we're going to go over a quick review of what we've covered so far in Investigation 1, Frogs, Fleas, and Painted Cubes. It was our introduction to quadratics, and we began the lesson by talking about the rectangles. And you can remember that the very first thing we had you do was create rectangles with a fixed perimeter of 20, which meant that when we added up all the sides, we had to make sure that we did not go over the perimeter of 20. And a lot of you came up with your rectangles based on that. So 1 by 9, which meant that it was a 20. A 2 by 8 still gave us a perimeter of 20. 3 by 7, 4 by 6, 5 by 5, and then you guys started to go into the reversed order, which then made it a 6 by 4, a 7 by 3, and so on. As we continued through that, we started to see that the area would change. So 1 by 9 gave us an area of 9, a 2 by 8 gave us an area of 16, 3 by 7 was 21. And when we graphed our information, we can see that we created a graph that looks like a U shape, or what we later became to know, a parabola. So as we saw this, we saw that it went all the way up to its highest point, which in this case was a 5 by 5 rectangle or a square, which gave us the area of 25. And then as we started to create our perimeter or our rectangles with the reverse order, we saw that we had a matching or corresponding rectangle for each of the sides on each side of the parabola.